Critical for exempt employees, real fast, I think, most of us are aware of this hopefully, but you cannot reduce their pay based on the quantity and quality of the work performed. You can reduce an exempt employee's pay for certain things. And certainly, jury service is one of those things. Generally speaking, though, the rule is that you cannot dock an exempt employee's time. So you want to be careful with that. These are the 7 exemptions from that no-pay docking rule. You can peruse through these, but those are the exceptions, not the rule. Administrative gets a little more complicated because it tends to be a broader category. The important thing to remember here is that the administrative folks are, again, still engaged in matters of significance on behalf of the company. So this is not your, it's not the secretary, not the quote-unquote admin person at the front desk answering phones, sending emails. He or she is not engaged in matters of significance to the company. These folks are, if you want to think of your insurance adjusters fall within the administrative exemption. Certain employees engaged in, whether it's marketing, sales, finances, again, these topics, these subject matters are significant to the company. And as long as he or she is performing activities where, they're engaged in that activity, certainly they potentially qualify for that administrative exemption. So, if they fall within one of those 3 exemptions, they're considered one of those white-collar workers that qualify for exemption, provided he or she also meets the salary basis threshold. There's also a learned professional exemption, creative professional exemption. The important thing with a creative professional exemption is you generally need more than just a bachelor's degree. This is not just, you go to college and you're necessarily a quote-unquote creative professional. These are truly your actors, musicians, your composers, that kind of thing. Outside sales exemptions has to be outside sales, cannot be inside. So again, 80% of the work time has to be away from the employer's place of business. Also, unlike the other exemptions, there is no minimum salary requirement. All the other exemptions, you got that salary basis test, not with an outside sales.